Living in Clearwater, Florida, offers a beautiful blend of coastal living and year-round sunshine, but it also comes with its own set of challenges, especially when it comes to protecting your home. From hurricanes during storm season to everyday risks like break-ins, having the right windows can make a significant difference in the security and safety of your home. This is where Impact Windows come in. Impact windows are specially designed to withstand extreme weather conditions and provide superior security against a variety of threats. In this article, we'll explore how Impact Windows can offer year-round protection for your Clearwater home, from storm protection to burglary prevention, ensuring you enjoy peace of mind no matter the season. Protection against hurricane winds and debris. One of the most significant benefits of Impact Windows in Clearwater is their ability to protect against the severe weather that comes with hurricane season. Florida's coastlines are particularly vulnerable to hurricanes and tropical storms, which can cause significant damage to homes, especially through flying debris and high winds. Traditional windows often shatter under the pressure of these storms, allowing wind and rain to enter, causing severe damage to the interior of your home. Impact windows, however, are designed to withstand hurricane-force winds and flying debris. These windows feature laminated glass with a durable interlayer that holds the glass together, even if it's struck by large debris. Unlike regular windows, which can easily shatter during a storm, impact windows remain intact, preventing water intrusion, wind damage, and the risk of injury from broken glass. By installing impact windows in your Clearwater home, you significantly reduce the risk of storm damage. Whether you're preparing for hurricane season or simply looking for peace of mind during unpredictable weather, impact windows provide a strong line of defense. Year-round security against break-ins. While hurricanes are a significant concern for many homeowners in Clearwater, the risk of burglary is a constant threat. Break-ins often occur when criminals target vulnerable windows and doors, looking for an easy point of entry. Traditional windows with thin glass and weak frames can be easily compromised by determined intruders. Impact windows are equipped with reinforced frames and laminated glass, making them much harder to break through. Even if an intruder attempts to smash the glass, the impact-resistant design prevents the glass from shattering and allowing entry. This added layer of security makes impact windows an excellent deterrent against break-ins, offering extra protection for your family and belongings. Additionally, many impact windows come with locking mechanisms and extra secure hardware that further enhance their resistance to unauthorized entry. With impact windows in place, you can rest assured that your home is less vulnerable to break-ins, providing peace of mind when you're at home or away. Energy efficiency for comfort and saving. In addition to their security benefits, impact windows also offer energy efficiency, which can enhance your home's comfort year-round. The weather in Clearwater can be quite hot in the summer, making air conditioning a must. However, if your windows aren't properly sealed or insulated, you could be losing valuable cool air, causing your HVAC system to work overtime and leading to higher energy bills. Impact windows provide superior insulation thanks to their multi-layered glass and secure seals, keeping hot air outside in the summer and warm air inside during cooler months. This not only helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature but also reduces the load on your heating and cooling systems, ultimately lowering your energy costs. By improving your home's energy efficiency, Impact Windows contribute to a more comfortable living environment year-round, helping you stay cool during the summer and cozy in the winter without excessive energy consumption. UV protection for your home's interior. In addition to protecting your home from physical damage, Impact Windows also provide UV protection. Florida's strong sunlight can cause furniture, flooring, and artwork to fade over time, especially if they're exposed to direct sunlight for extended periods. Impact Windows are equipped with special UV blocking coatings that help prevent harmful UV rays from entering your home, preserving the color and integrity of your belongings. By blocking up to 99% of UV radiation, Impact Windows safeguard your home's interior and keep your furniture, carpets, and other valuables looking fresh for longer. This added layer of protection helps maintain the aesthetic appeal and longevity of your home's interior. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Living near busy streets, airports, or commercial areas in Clearwater can expose you to unwanted noise, which can affect your comfort and well-being. One often overlooked benefit of Impact Windows is their ability to reduce outside noise. The thicker glass and acoustic layers in Impact Windows help block sound, making your home quieter and more peaceful. Whether you're trying to block traffic noise or the sounds of a nearby construction site, Impact Windows provide sound insulation, allowing you to enjoy a more relaxing environment inside your home. This is particularly valuable if you live in a noisy neighborhood or near high traffic areas in Clearwater. Increased home value. Because Impact Windows offer so many benefits: security, energy efficiency, UV protection, and noise reduction, they can also increase your home's market value. Home buyers are often willing to pay a premium for homes with impact-resistant windows, especially in regions prone to hurricanes and storms, like Clearwater. Not only will these windows enhance your home's security and comfort, but they also make your property more appealing to potential buyers. Conclusion: year-round security and comfort with Impact Windows. For homeowners in Clearwater, Impact Windows provide essential protection and peace of mind, both during hurricane season and year-round. By offering security against break-ins, protection from hurricanes and storms, energy efficiency, UV protection, and noise reduction, Impact Windows are an all-around solution for making your home safer, more comfortable, and more energy efficient. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's security or simply improve its energy performance, investing in Impact Windows is a smart decision that adds long-term value to your home and ensures it's well protected throughout the year. If you're ready to enjoy greater peace of mind and comfort in your Clearwater home, consider installing Impact Windows today.